Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to loop a video in Canva. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official canva.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where you need to go ahead and log into your account. So in the upper right corner, click the sign in button to log in. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you can see all the options you can access. Right here you can see all your info, your projects, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how you loop a video. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your design or project where your video is. So if you do not already have one, you can go ahead and create a new one by clicking the create a design button, and then you can select what you want to create: a resume, presentation, whiteboard, and so on. So let's say we are creating a presentation, and after clicking on presentation guys, it's going to open up our presentation right here in the new tab, and here we can get started with adding our files. So if you haven't already added the video, what you want to do guys is click the uploads button right here at the left side of the screen. Click uploads, and here you can go ahead and click upload files to get started with uploading your files. After uploading your video, as you can see, I have uploaded my video right here from my PC. Now it's going to be available right here, and I can click on it to drag it to my presentation. So here is my video. So guys, all we have to do now if we want to loop the video is go ahead and click on the video. After clicking on the video, it's going to open up the editor mode right here, and we can click playback. Go ahead and click on playback, and under playback guys, we can go ahead and enable the play on repeat option. So if you enable play on repeat guys, this is now going to loop this video every time it finishes. It's going to go ahead and start again. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.